What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Toyota Tundra remote key fob. This Toyota Tundra key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2450, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. The first thing we want to do is grab our key fob, and if we take a look at the back of it, we see there's this release right here that my finger's on. Go ahead and press that release and then pull the emergency key out like that. Now if we take a look at that space that key just slid out of, you can see there's a little bit of a notch right here that the end of the key's on. And if you look on the end of this key, you can see there's a little bit of a lip on it. So what I'm going to do is take my key and I'm going to push it into that slot like that. Make sure it's all the way pushed in. And then I'm just going to twist the key. And as I do that, you can see it splits the two halves of the case apart. Flip it over and go ahead and pull the back off. And now we see our circuit board and our battery is in the circuit board. So now I'm going to use the key again, kind of the lip of it, to get under the edge of the battery. Just get it out of that holder. Now I'll grab my new replacement battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing your new battery with the plus side up. Go ahead and snap it down into that holder like that. Then we can put it back down in the front. And because of the shape of it, it only can sit in there one way. Then we can snap the back cover on. Slide our emergency key back in. And that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.